Hi guys and gals and kittens, and welcome to the I Need a Magic show. So this video is going to be a little bit short. I'm just going to show you a new feature that we've created in Magic Cloud, which is the ability to have an AI chatbot with long-term memory. Now, first things first, you will need to, if you've already installed the OpenAI plugin, you will need to reinstall it because we've updated it, because it has one additional feature. Now, in this particular video, I'm just going to reuse the model that I was using for my previous video, the CRM guy here, and then I have cheated a little bit. I have something in VS Code down here. I got a little bit of a snippet that I can just basically paste in above the additional rules you must always follow if you followed my other video. And here is the part. If the user gives you personal information, if the user provides you with personal information such as his name, email address, phone numbers, or something similar, you need to explain to the user what you are about to do for them to end your response with the following. And that's a function invocation, of course. The above function invocation allows you to store the information the user is providing you within a database. Rules to follow when storing personal information. The name argument is the type of fact to store and can be, for instance, the user's email, the user's phone number, the user's name, etc. The value argument is the value the user is providing you with. Both the name and the value arguments are mandatory arguments and only store the same type of information once for the user. Now, the point being that now we've always had this history thing where we are storing, persisting the values of questionnaires, and you can create a questionnaire, right, and add questions to it, such that you see here I got this intro questionnaire. However, the questionnaires are static in nature and they don't really flow within a natural conversation, and they have to be applied at the beginning of the process. You have to add questionnaire at the beginning of the process, while this generic store data is a completely generic thing. So now if I open up my front end here, my AI expert system, you should probably watch the previous video if you didn't already do so, in order to be able to follow this hands-on. Then of course I've got this test or this CRM model. I can say hi to it and stuff like that, and I can do like a list, contacts, etc. As you probably remember from my previous YouTube video, here are the contacts and Bob Brown, Charlie Davis. Of course, this retrieves contacts from my database, etc. However, at any point in the conversation, I can say to the chatbot, my name is Thomas Hansen. Ta-da! At which point, the AI chatbot is actually going to persist my name. So now if I close my session, I'm going to copy this URL and open it up again. Come back 3 months later, and I ask the AI chatbot, what's my name? Then it's going to be remembering my name. My phone number is 96697340. My email is thomas@gaiasol.com, etc., etc. What it's actually doing is that it's persisting these guys into the Manage Machine Learning History tab here, ML requests. You filter on CRM here, then it persists these as the value of questionnaires. The user's email, my email. The user's phone number, my phone number. The user's name. So it's actually persisted on the server, allowing me to actually create a chatbot that like subtly asks the user, by the way, what's your name? And 3 minutes later, by the way, what's your email? And yeah, you know what? If you had your phone number, I could have my CEO call you. What's your phone number? Etc., etc. Right? Which slowly over time collects more and more information about the user, allowing you to target him specifically for marketing purposes. And that was basically it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.